Hey girlfriend, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited that you are joining me for another motivational cleaning video. Today I will be tackling my bedroom and cleaning some areas that I have neglected. If you are needing some deep cleaning motivation, then keep on watching. I'm just starting with my bed. I do like to wash my blankets and sheets every week to every week and a half. I'm just getting everything pulled off my bed and I will take them to my laundry closet. If you are new to my channel, hey girlfriend, my name is Sherrell and I'm so happy to meet you. I would love if you would stick around, subscribe so you won't miss any of my future videos. If you are a returning subscriber, girlfriend, I am so thankful that you've returned and you have no idea how much this means to me. So I do like to separate my sheets from my comforter and a separate load. I like to use my regular Arm & Hammer laundry detergent and my Donny softener. To make sure that my sheets and blankets are sanitized, I like to wash them on the highest setting. Next, I'm going to dust using my Method wood furniture polish.
Under my tattoos, there's a remedy.
Once I wipe down the bed, I want to make sure that I dust everything else in my bedroom. So I'm going to dust my nightstands and my dresser. Next, I'm going to declutter some things from the top of my dresser, and I'm just showing you guys that my daughter broke her glasses. Thank the Lord that it was an inexpensive fix. She had just broke the arm off of her glasses because she had placed it on her bed, and my son sat down because he didn't see them and they broke. But comment below, you guys, letting me know, are you still enjoying your summer with your kids, or are you like, child, when does school start again?
Blow my mind without warning. You digging deep within me. I feel obsessed. I can't help myself falling into the widest ocean again. Can't forget. You got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes. Oh, you got me looped about it. You and me got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
Now that I'm done dusting my furniture, I'm going to wipe down my ceiling fan using water, vinegar, and Dr. Bronner's cast-style soap in the scent peppermint. But comment below letting me know, how often do you deep clean your master bedroom? There's just something satisfying about looking outside the window, but I'm going to clean my window using the same mixture that I use for my ceiling fan. I will still see a haze, y'all, because I am not cleaning the outside of my window today.
Too deep like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I am in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless.
So at this point, it's been a couple of hours and I'm going to get my bed reassembled. I love washing my bed. I feel as though it freshens up my room so well. And I love the first night in a bed with clean blankets. Comment below if you share the same feeling. I promise you, I feel as though it is the best sleep that I get is when I sleep in a bed with clean blankets.
A 24-hour streak, wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending.
Since I'm still doing laundry, I figure I can fold up this small little clothes and then I can have my children put their clothes away.
I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you are feeling motivated to deep clean your room or any part of your house. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for taking out some time to hang out with me. Until next time, girlfriend, stay beautiful.